Hey guys, we're starting another video again for the third time in a row. My stitches come out tomorrow. I took most of them out myself.
Like a dumbass.
Yes, just like Ashley said, like a dumbass. They came out tonight, and I still have one more. Here are all of mine, so I just gave them their tubbies, except for Donut. Babe, they were all looking up at the phone at the same time. Ashley was just cleaning their cage with the cleaning and deodorizing spray. Babe, show them the label. Made by Wild Heart. It's the same. Oh no, it's a different brand than what we use to shampoo them. Yeah, it's a different brand than Citrus Magic. That's what we use.
Oh, it's the same brand.
It's good for cats. Did you know that we can use this on cats?
Why would we?
Because it's for hard to bathe animals.
Give me the litter.
Alright, and this is how we fill their litter. You had the litter over there, or did you use it all?
Over there.
Used it all?
Yeah. It wasn't that much litter.
Alrighty, here we go. We're filling up the litter. Babe, take it. To be quite honest, Ashley's the only one that watches my videos.
I don't even watch them. I just like them and say, here you go.
Really, babe? You're just trying to get me that sweet ad revenue?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't get ads until you get hit 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty BS. Fuck you, Susan Wojcicki.
We gotta buy more.
Come here, Cream Puff.
Tape that shut.
Take her and put her on the hut. Just put her in there. Come here, Boomski. He's like, where's my lady going? Take her. See, they're both chill compared to Donut, because they've been with us for a long, long time.
Yeah, they're a couple years old.
A couple years old.
We manhandle the crap out of them.
Yeah, we always manhandle them. Well, not to the point you think. We just pick them up very gently. Actually, I'm going to take my stitch out in this video.
No!
Yes. I need you to hold the camera.
No, give me all the food.
Give me all the food.
Yeah.
Here's the millet. Spray
I
millet.
don't need that. I already have a good one.
Use the Tropical Carnival.
I'm putting all of it in here.
I know. You can mix it, right?
Yeah. Get in there.
You gotta put your hand over it and shake it.
I will. That's what I did with his.
Okay, good. Hey, babe. Do you want to tell the viewers how we met?
In history class.
We met in history class.
Freshman year.
Freshman year. I made her paper
There's
swans.
a hole.
I know. I would make her paper swans and hand it to her. And apparently that was a good way of flirting. Because it worked, and we've been together ever since. I just laid her down.
Get Boomer.
I just fucking laid her down. Did you see that? I hope I got that on camera. This is the girl. This is the stuff that we fed them. It's edible, but you can also just break it apart and they can use it for litter. Here, I'm gonna put her in this one. Hold it, Bubba.
Can't.
You guys are going upside down for a bit. You wanna go in there too?
Yeah, the bowl's under the water in case it leaks.
That's what I do. You wanna give them this cage and him the big one?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna tear some of this apart, Bub.
Don't. That's for them to do.
Yeah, they like shredding things.
Okay, move. I gotta put the thing back on.
Thing is, if you want to get rid of something, or if you have a document you want to hide from the police, give it to a colony of about 5 mice.
They'll rip it to shreds.
They will rip it to shreds
Use it as bedding.
and use it as bedding. The police will think nothing of it. Give me my ad revenue, Susan. Suzanne!
There was a clip. There's a clip.
What about my clit?
Clip.
Oh, I thought you said clit.
Oh.
Where's my clip? I don't know, babe, where it always is. It's gone.
I took it off.
There's the cute boy. Okay. Hey, babe. You get to hold while I put him in the cage.
Oh, fun.
Yep. This is Ashley. Say hi, Ashley.
No.
This is her and her beautiful self. Hey, babe, look at the camera.
No.
Is this your face?
No.
Fine. How about this? I'll show you. Oh, there. That's your face in the mirror. Very pretty. Very pretty girl.
Oh, I forgot the stick. I have a stick.
Good, because they already have enough to fucking chew their teeth on.
Yeah, besides the bars,
Yeah.
they'll do it.
Babe, stop. No, put them on my lap, babe. You have to hold while I try to put them in.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, babe. No, babe. No, you gotta go.
Oh, I missed.
Oh, fuck.
Fine. They're not stupid.
Fuck, I just broke it, I think. Here, please hold, babe. Please hold. I can't. There's
Okay, I'm slapping it.
look at my... Look. Look the twitch I was having. Did you really just stop it? Okay, good. So I have to fix this.
Hey, you gotta unhook it to fix it. You gotta unhook the other side too.
Oh, I fixed it without unhooking it.
And actually, don't put it on the stapler yet.
Boom, pal, scooty pop, cool pal.
Don't, I'm gonna click it off.
Okay.
Take this sweet potato stick.
Sweet potato stick, just stick it in through the bars like this. Make sure it falls in one of their tails.
Here, take the camera.
Potato, what'd you say?
So take the camera. I'm gonna drop it.
Okay, fine. You guys get a view of the ceiling or my face, whichever one is doing. That was quick and easy. He fucking ran in there. Hey guys, bang. It's all the mice.
Hey, look at that.
This is Cream Puff and her pretty face. Come on, Boomer, get a good shot. It's the camera.
Hey, what was those balloon things that I have?
Oh, babe.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Where's that red broom?
What red broom? It's in the box. The red broom that you're looking for?
What box? This one?
Yes, the only box that there is.
Really, where?
Pow. Look at that. It's our beautiful pet mice that get no views. Mice can jump about a foot straight up in the air. That would be like me jumping about 15 feet straight up in the air from a standstill. This is a top view of the mouse's enclosure. I figured out what we can do if we don't have enough fucking content. Just show a time lapse of the mice. Like this, babe.
Yeah, put them up.
Put them up.
I can do that, but I gotta clean this out anyway.
Cream Puff got stuck. She's fat.
Ew, that's gotta be washed.
What does?
It's sticky.
Oh, if you have a mouse cage, do not put it near curtains. We made that mistake once, and they shredded a hole about a fucking foot. Two holes about a foot wide. Like, I'm gonna give them a piece of my shirt, and we're gonna film it. There, right there's a little piece of my shirt. See how long it takes for them to eat it.
Don't do that.
Why, it's just a Risk agricultural shirt. It's not that important. Cream Puff, you're just a fucking
Are
tank.
we saving this little thing?
No.
Oh. I didn't give him that.
Oh, Timothy, hey. It's okay, I can give him some.
I'm sure they'll all get something.
All he does is eat the yogurt and he won't eat the hay.
Yeah, give him the other cage open.
The girls need a bit more millet, to be quite honest.
They don't really eat it that often. That's the same milk that's been in the cage.
Well, yeah, maybe let's give them some fresh one. Millet smells bland. It doesn't really smell like anything. Smell it. I feel anything that smells like a little bit like fried corn, kind of, right?
It smells like tea.
It smells like a mix between tea and fried corn. Are we hitting the 10-minute? We are at 11 minutes. So guys, I think we're going to end the video here. This is Ashley, and this is me. Alright, see you in the next video for whoever the hell decides to watch, ever.